If your lower back hurts, it's probably because you're using these muscles right here, and those are the wrong muscles, instead of these muscles right here. Let me explain. One of the most common ways that people injure their lower back or re-injure their lower back is to bend forward to grab something. And if your glute muscles are inactive or weak, which are on most people, what's going to happen is this. You're going to round your back and you're going to focus on using your spinal erectors to move you rather than the strongest muscle of your lower body. But if you learn how to use your glutes properly, hinging through the hips like this, the likelihood of you injuring your lower back again is going to be incredibly low. Plus, your lower back is going to feel stronger and safer through your daily life. So here's how to activate your glutes using 2 different moves that are really simple. Okay, if you're like most people with lower back pain, you probably have what some people call glute amnesia, meaning you can't even get your glutes to fire because your brain has disconnected from those muscles and has forgotten how to do its job. But this drill right here is my favorite drill to reteach you how to connect your mind to your glutes so you can start using them more effectively in your daily life, okay? So you can start this position laying down like this. You can rest your head on a pillow. You can do this in bed or on a couch too. You don't have to come all the way down to the ground, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna curl one heel up towards the sky like this. You're gonna push your hips down into the ground, and we want to avoid arching our back like this, okay? So we want to focus on pushing the hips down into the ground, and then what you're gonna try to do is just lift this knee off the ground, even just like 1 inch. It doesn't have to be far. You can just set an intention of lifting it just a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be crazy high or anything, just a little bit. And then what you can do is test, is my glute firing? And you're gonna feel your glute firing in this position because it's a position where it's almost impossible to not fire your glute. So squeeze that glute for a few seconds, and then come back down and rest. And you can repeat for 30 seconds on the left side, and then do 30 seconds on the right side. And how you know that this drill is actually helping you is that once you stand back up, you'll be able to squeeze your glutes if you want to at will. And once you've rebuilt that mind-muscle connection, that's gonna support your ability to bend forward and backward and protect your lower back. But it's not the full thing that we wanna do. We really wanna learn how to use our glutes for hip extension too, and this drill next is gonna show you how to do it. Hey, before I show you that second drill, if your lower back hurts, let us show you how to fix it using movement as medicine. All you gotta do is click the link below. Okay, for the second drill, we're gonna focus on using our glutes for hip extension, something that we should actually be doing on every step we take, especially when we're going upstairs, okay? So this is a really cool drill to help activate your glutes in full hip extension, but without being in this prone position, okay? So what you're gonna do is come up to a wall and give yourself about 1 foot to 18 inches of space away from the wall. Now, if you need to, you can get a little towel and roll it up and put it on the wall because we're gonna push our knee up against the wall like this. For some people that bothers their knee, so you can grab a towel, hold it like this, rolled up, and then push your knee against the towel just to make it a little bit more comfortable, okay? Now in this position, you can still keep your hands on the wall for support, but what we wanna do is this. We want to have a nice tall posture with our hips pointed straight forward, and we wanna try to drive our knee into the wall using the glute muscle right here. Again, you can test and make sure your glute is firing and try to hold this position for around 30 to 60 seconds on the right side and then 30 to 60 seconds on the left side. And then as you go out and about in the world, try to pay attention to using your glutes for hip extension, using your glutes to hinge forward and backward more safely so you can protect your lower back and ultimately feel so much better in your body.